about Jamaica's sprint legend, Usain Bolt, competing in his last race on locals high. And look, it was a supercalifragilistic spectacle that was well executed and well accepted by the thousands and thousands of people in Jamaica and around the world. Absolutely befitting of someone so brilliant and so great as Usain St. Leo Bolt. Now, in addition to all the tributes and accolades that came the way of the big man on Saturday, plans are also well advanced for the erection of the long talked about statue for Bolt. And we can tell you that there is a picture of a statue making the rounds. We just hope and pray that it is not the real statue of Bolt. Understand that the Honorable Sports Minister has said it's a fake statue or a fake picture. I hope it's true. And is not this they must planning to unveil and know that it leak out and everybody say it don't look like Bolt. They might try chisel out something fast that will look more credible. Because trust me, this look more like Bustamante or Norman Manley than Usain Bolt. This right here is artistic treachery that should be punishable by imprisonment. Me not lie, them get every single thing wrong with the features of this statue. It don't even look like Bolt's distant cousin. And we really and truly hope it is a fake picture and a fake statue, and that the real statue will look like the big man. What I'll turn off the light. Well, this is the legend.
We pay for your light. We pay for your light.
When you hear what the man say, turn on back the light. Money talk. We don't fake like the statue.